Good day. In this video, we're going to talk about the equation of the lines. Now we have two form of the equation of a line. We have slope-intercept form and standard form that we already discussed. The slope-intercept form looks like this: y equals mx plus b, while the standard form is ax plus by equals c. We already discussed these two in the past video, and so I'm just gonna give you an example of slope-intercept form, linear equation with an slope-intercept form, and another written in standard form. So some example of linear equation or equation of a line written in slope-intercept form is y equals 4 over 7x minus 1. So as you can see, 4 over 7 here is the m, and the b here is negative 1. Another is y equals negative 1 over 5x plus 7. Again, yung b natin dito is 7, and the m is yung negative 1 over 5. Now on the standard form, standard form looks like this in real equation: 3x minus 4y equals 7. So 3 is the a, b is the negative 4, and 7 is the c. Another one is 2x minus 6y equals 1. 2 is the a, b is the negative 6, and c is equal to 1. Now, in this lesson, we're gonna focus on finding this form of equation, or finding the equation of a line in these two forms when given a slope and intercept, given a point and a slope, and 2 points. So, makikita nyo kung paano gamitin to. But now, just take a good look. Kapag binigyan ka ng slope and intercept, we can use y equals mx plus b. Kapag ang binigay naman ay isang point at slope, you can use y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Kapag ang binigay naman sa'yo ay 2 point, pwede mo gamitin yung 2-point form of a linear equation, which is equal to y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 o minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus y sub 1 times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Now let's see how we can apply this equation in a problem. Here I prepare 3 set of problems. It goes like this: write an equation of a line in standard form ax plus by equals c that satisfy the following condition. Now, in the first number, we are given with the slope and a y-intercept of negative 1, slope of 3, and y-intercept of negative 1, and it is indicated in here that we must use the slope-intercept form of a linear equation, and the slope-intercept form of an equation is y equals mx plus b. That means we're going to use this y equals mx plus b. Now the 3 in here, let me use another sheet of paper. Basta y equals mx plus b gagamitin natin. The 3 in here, 3 is the slope or the m, and yung negative 1 dito ay yung y-intercept. That means that is our letter b. And the equation that we're going to use is y equals mx plus b. Gagawin dito is just to substitute. So m is 3, palitan lang natin, y equals, imbis na m, gawin 3. X plus yung b natin is negative 1. Negative 1. Then, simplify lang, y equals 3x plus negative 1. We can write this as just minus 1. So y equals 3x minus 1 is the slope-intercept form of this. Slope of 3, y-intercept of negative. But in this problem, we are asked to find the form or the standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. Gagawin natin itong ax plus by equals c. Paano gagawin yun? Paano ba? Ax plus by equals c. So, yung gagawin natin, kailangan yung x and y magkasama. Gawin lang natin, transpose natin si 3x or subtraction property of equality. Subtract tayo ng both side ng 3x minus 3x dito rin. Kaya, para siyang malilipat. Ayun, sinasabi lagi ng iba. Pag nalipat yan, magiging minus 3x plus y, kasi y lang to, equals negative 1. Now, we can write this as is, pero pwede tayo mag-multiply ng negative 1 both side, kanya lang din, para makancel or para matanggal yung negative sign. Magiging itong positive 3x minus y equals positive 1. And this is the standard form of this given slope of 3 and y-intercept of negative 1. Kapag ginawa natin yung kanyang linear equation, ito yung lalabas. 3x minus y equals 1. Next, number 2, point slope form of a linear equation. So, passing through negative 3, 1, and has a slope of 5 halves. So, gagawin natin dito ay gagamitin natin yung point slope form of linear equation, and the point slope form looks like this. y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Analyze lang ulit natin. Binigyan tayo ng 2 points and the slope. So, yung m natin dito is ito, yung 5 halves. And yung x sub 1 natin is in negative 3. Ang ating y sub 1, is yung 1. Then, apply natin yung formula na y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Now, substitute lang. Parang kanina. Y minus, ano yung y sub 1 natin? 1. Equals, m, yung m natin is 5 over 2. Times the quantity of x minus yung x sub 1 natin is, ito, nakaturo, negative 3. Then simplify, y minus 1 equals 5 over 2, x plus 3, kasi minus negative, kaya plus 3. Then, gagawin dito is, we can multiply both side by 2 para makancel to. Multiply by 2. Ito rin, multiply by 2. Pag multiply mo yung by 2, cancel na to. Ang matitira is 5 times the quantity of x plus 3 equals, ito 2 times y is 2y minus 2 times 1 is 2. Yan na. Then, gagawin na lang natin dyan ay simplify pa. Distribute natin yung 5. Multiply lang to. 5x. 5 times 3 is 15. Then, 2y minus 2. Then, kailangan, sabi kasi ay standard form. At ang standard form ay ax plus by equals c. Kaya, kailangan magkasama si x and y. Sa ano natin to, transpose natin or subtraction property quality, minus 5x plus 2y equals si negative 2. Lipat natin dito, 15. Pag nilipat mo, magbabago yung sign. Kung negative siya dito, magiging ng positive, plus 2 minus 5x plus 2y equals 15 plus 2 is 17. And the standard form for this number, passing through negative 3 and 1 and has a slope of 5 halves, the linear equation for that is negative 5x plus 2y equals 17. Last is, how about if we are given with just two set of points? Number 3, passing through 5, negative 1, and 3, 6. Ang gagamitin natin dito, syempre, yung two-point form of a linear equation. And it goes like this: y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So, mukha lang magulo. Pero, pinahaba lang yan kasi itong y sub 2 minus y sub 1, ito, equal lang yan sa slope. Ganyan hanapin ang slope kapag binigyan ka ng 2 points. So, para lang siya kaninang point slope form of a linear equation, but since hindi tayo binigyan ng slope kaagad, hahanapin natin siya ng mano-mano gamit yung formula na to. Ito lang nadagdag dyan. Kaya huwag kayong malilito. So, paano na? Label muna natin. Kailangan natin, ang hanapin natin ito, x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, y sub 2. Ito yung ating x sub 1. Ito ang ating x sub 2. Ito ang ating y sub 1 and y sub 2. Then we can now apply the formula. Ano yung formula? Y minus y sub 1 equals yung formula ng slope, kasi nga wala tayong slope na binigay. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. Then, substitute lang. Y minus yung y sub 1 natin is negative 1 equals yung y sub 2 natin, ito, 6, minus yung y sub 1 natin is negative 1. Then, yung x sub 2 natin is 3, minus yung x sub 1 natin, 5, times the quantity of x minus x sub 1 natin is 5. Then, solve lang natin. Y minus negative 1 magigitong plus 1. 6 minus negative 1 magigitong 6 plus 1, kaya 7. Over 3 minus 5 is negative 2 times the quantity of x minus 5. So, kagaya lang kanina, multiply tayo both side ng negative 2. Nakadepende sa denominator na to para makancel siya. So, multiply natin ng negative 2. Ito rin. Makakancel. Ang matitira na lang ay 7 times the quantity of x minus 5. Tapos, negative 2y. Negative 2 times positive 1 is minus 2. Then, distribute si ito. 7 kay x minus 5. Magiging 7x. Minus 7 times 5 is 35. Then, negative 2y minus 2. Medyo mahaba. Yan. Next is gawin nating standard form. Lipat lang natin si x, or ito, lipat natin to para maging positive. So, kapag nilipat natin yan, mamark ko lang, ito lilipat. Pag nilipat yan, magbabago yung sign. Magiging, sige, 7x. Yung minus 2y natin magiging ng plus 2y. Equals, yung minus 35 natin, lipat din natin dito sa kabila ng equation para kasama niya na si minus 2. Kung minus 35 yan, magiging yung plus 35. So, negative 2 plus 35. Negative 2 plus 35 is positive 33 equals 7x plus 2y. Standard form na yan. Pwede mo naman yung baliktarin kasi nga equal sila. So, gawin natin ganito para maganda lang sa mata. 7x plus 2y equals 33. And that's it. Nakuha na natin yung standard form ng equation na to or yung given na to. Dalawang points. 5, negative 1, and 3, 6. Ang kanyang linear equation or equation of a line niya is 7x plus 2y equals 33. So this lesson is focusing on finding the equation of a line of a given slope and a point, slope intercept, and y-intercept. Also, finding the equation of a line of a given na x sub 1, y sub 2 or yung point and a slope. And last, the two-point form of linear equation kapag 2 points ang binigay sa atin. So, gamit to, kaya natin hanapin ang linear equation ng mga given. Ganto-ganto lang naman yung binibigay lagi. So, I guess that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something from this. Goodbye. Bye.